Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and stream on Twitch. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First of all, go ahead and open your browser and make sure that you are in twitch.tv and make sure that you are logged in into the account you want to stream from. Second thing you want to do is simply go ahead and download OBS. Just like that. Go ahead and click on download and just go ahead and install it into your PC. Finally, once you've done that, all you need to do is go ahead into your channel settings right over here. And once you've done that, simply go ahead into your customize channel button. And once you've done that, all you need to do is go ahead and click on stream right over here. And there's going to be your primary stream key. As you can see, all you need to do is go ahead and copy this stream key right over here. And go ahead into your OBS that you just downloaded. Once you've done that, on the top left hand, go ahead and click on File, click on Settings. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click on Stream and change this to Twitch. And finally, click on Use Stream Key and go ahead and paste your stream key right over here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click on Apply. And now you can simply go ahead and start streaming and it will go ahead and stream on your Twitch account. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.